A day at the supermarket. Hi. Good morning.
Good morning. How can I help you?
I need to stock up on my groceries.
Sure, I can help you with that. What shall I show you first?
Well, rice, for a start.
Sure. I'll show you where the rice bags are. Come with me. Here we are. These shelves contain the rice bags.
Great. These are exactly what I need. How much will a pound of rice cost me?
Well, that depends on how much you buy. If you buy a 1-pound bag, you pay $1.08.
Is there any discount?
Yes, but only on bigger bags. Suppose you buy a 10-pound bag. You pay $1 a pound of rice.
That's great, but I'll take just a pound for now.
Sure. What else do you need?
Fruits and vegetables, of course.
Of course. Let me show you where the fruits and vegetables are kept. Here we are. What would you like to buy?
Apples. How much are they?
Well, here they are. $2 a pound of apples.
Fine, I'll take 2 pounds of apples.
Good. I'll get you 2 pounds of apples. Here you are. I think your card is filling up fast.
Oh yes it is. Thanks to you.
Just doing my duty. What else can I help you with?
Let me see. Did I forget something?
Take your time. Think it over.
Oh yes. It's the bread I forgot.
No worries. It's in the front part of the store. Come along. I'll show you.
Sure.
Here we are again. The bakery section of the supermarket. Remember, you came here earlier?
Oh yes. That was when I first entered the store. I should have picked up the bread then.
No problem at all. Add the bread to your cart. You can also find cakes here. And buns and pastries.
Wow! I'm glad you reminded me. I had all but forgotten. My sister's come visiting. Her 3-year-old son is with her. I promised him I would get him some pastries.
What a nice thought.
I am very fond of him.
Okay, so here we are. Take your pick. Plenty of flavors here for the asking.
He loves chocolate and blueberry pastries.
Sure, here they are. Chocolate and blueberry for him.
Great! I can't wait to see the smile on his face.
Oh yes, I'm sure he will enjoy the taste. Okay, your pastries are in your cart.
Thank you.
You're welcome. So would you like to buy anything else?
I think I'm done here.
Fine. I'll help you check out then.
Sure. I'll bring my cart along.
Here you go. I've got all your items rung up.
Thanks. Can I use my card to pay?
Sure. Just tap or insert your card here. That's it. And you're done. Here's your receipt. Have a great day.
Thank you. All set. See you next time. So that was my day at the supermarket. I think I bought all that I needed. Buying groceries at a store is so easy. The store staff is also helpful. I'll have to tell my sister about this place. She is going to love coming here. Anyways, I'm done shopping. I can get back to work after the weekend. That means I will be back here again only next week. That's because I just did my weekly grocery shopping. Do you need to stock up on your groceries? You do? Well, this place is fine. I have to go now. Catch you later. Ciao.